Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the upcoming launch of the OnePlus mid-range smartphone. So recently, earlier OnePlus mid-range smartphone is speculated with the OnePlus Z and then the OnePlus Z Lite and OnePlus 8 Lite. But finally, it almost confirmed that OnePlus upcoming mid-range smartphone could be a OnePlus Nord. So this video about the new confirmed news about the OnePlus Nord smartphone. So recently the Android Central has confirmed that the OnePlus Nord will be comes with the dual selfie camera. So it comes with the 32 megapixel of primary camera, which is based on the Sony sensor. In addition to that, 8 megapixel wide angle lens will be equipped. And for the first time, OnePlus brings the dual selfie camera in their smartphone. So earlier recent launch of the OnePlus 8 Pro is also comes with the single selfie camera, but the upcoming OnePlus Nord smartphone will come with the dual selfie camera. And similarly, so the dual selfie camera will be housed inside the dual punch hole design. So the OnePlus Nord comes with the dual punch hole design display. So and the display is based on the Super AMOLED panel only, and it has the in-display fingerprint scanning feature also. And then this OnePlus Nord will be powered with the Snapdragon 765G processor, and it is a 5G device. Since the Snapdragon 765G processor is having a 5G chipset, then this OnePlus Nord is supposed to be launched in July 10th around, and then the official announcement will be on June 30th might be. Then this OnePlus Nord will be comes in two memory variant, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB, and the base variant is supposed to be priced for rupees around 25,000 like that. And likewise in this price range, recently Realme X3 is also launched for a 6GB plus 128GB model, and the Realme X3 also comes with the dual punch hole design display with the dual selfie camera, but it has 16 megapixel Sony IMX616 with 8 megapixel wide angle lens. But the OnePlus brings the 32 megapixel of Sony sensor, and it's still not confirmed whether Sony 616 camera sensor will be equipped or not. So let's wait for the official confirmation from the OnePlus for the upcoming launch of the OnePlus Nord smartphone. So that's all about this video, guys. Hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below along with the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video, guys.